everybody doing today? Today I have a very simple recipe for you guys, and it's so easy. Anybody can make it, even your kid. So this recipe is just grilled cheese. But usually in grilled cheese, you just put cheese in the middle and you just toast it. But today we're gonna do something different, okay? Today we're gonna start off with our bread. I have white bread here. You can probably use any bread, but I feel like white bread works the best. And then this is mayo. We're just gonna put mayo on each of the bread. So make sure it's nice and covered, right? Alright, so now what you have to do is, so our pan is all heated up. I'm just gonna add like a teaspoon of oil in here, and I have a spatula around. Alright, now we're gonna add our bread, but not like that. We're gonna put the mayo side on the pan. It's sizzling. So you don't wanna like crisp it up too much. You just wanna like make sure the mayo is kind of like hardened. So like, that's not hardened. So you just want to like make sure that your bread is like a bit toasty, but like not too toasted to the point where it's like burnt kind of. So just a little bit toasted, not too much. Like we should see the white kind of. You should still see the white of the mayo. So like that kind of. Like you see that that texture, kind of what you want. I'll see you guys when both my breads are like that. Alright, you can see both my breads are pretty much done. So now what we're gonna do is, put your bread down, put your cheese. So here I'm just using marbled cheese. You wanna put lots of cheese for that beautiful cheese pull. And then just a pinch of salt on it. Alright, now put the other piece of bread on top and just cook it, like just toast it on low probably. I'll see you guys when my cheese is done. Sorry, yeah. Also, to get your cheese a bit melted is get a bit of water, put it around, and then take a lid and just put it on top. Now, the steam is gonna make our cheese melt. Alright, I'll see you guys for the cheese. Guys, my grilled cheese is done, and look at, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but look at that crust. Alright, now we're just gonna like cut into it. Let's see if we get our cheese pull. Oh, ooh, look at that. It's oozing out. Alright, I hope you guys actually try this recipe. It's so easy to make. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.